Guys, in this video, you will learn how you can send Airtable's data to create actions in Focuster application automatically. So guys, here we have connected Airtable as the trigger application and Focuster as the action application, such that whenever you are going to add the data about any action here or any task here in Airtable space, an action will be created according to the data in Focuster automatically. So Focuster is a task management and scheduling application. So if you want to connect them both, you can use this automation, and we are using Pabbly Connect to make this connection between them. And you can set up this automation without any coding very easily. Let me show you how. So this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and we have pasted the same link in the description, guys. So from here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. Okay, so you can just sign up right now, and after that you have to sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, which is here. Okay, and guys, here you have to click on this create workflow button to set up this automation, and here you can give on this field a suitable name to your workflow as well. So I'm giving the name here as Airtable to Focuster Automation. Okay, right. So after giving the name, just click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is getting ready here, and on this page you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two things you can set up any automation. Okay, so guys, trigger here is that event which is going to trigger or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger or the consequence of the trigger. Okay, so here you have to connect that application in which the trigger event is going to occur, and here that application in which the action event is going to occur. So in our use case, the adding of details of any task in Airtable will act as a trigger. So Airtable would be our trigger application. So search for Airtable here and select it. And here you can see it is showing in every 10 minutes this trigger is going to check for new data in your Airtable base, and in every 10 minutes if you add a new data, this workflow is going to trigger and start running. Okay, so the trigger event would be a new record available in the database. Okay, then click on connect here, and from here select add new connection option, and here it is asking for the token or API key of Airtable. So to find this key you need to reach the account section of Airtable. Let me show you. This is my Airtable's base. Okay, and here I have this profile icon. From here click on accounts, and here on this page when you scroll down you will get this key here like this. You can just copy this key, paste this key here in the token field, and then click on save, and you will be connected with Airtable. Okay, so you can see we are connected now, and here it is asking for the base's name. So the name of my base is this, Focuster Actions. So you have to search for it from this list, Focuster Actions, select this. Okay, then it will ask for the table's name. So my table's name is table 1. Okay, so it got auto selected here, and the trigger field. So guys, in every table in your base, if you want to connect the base here, you must have a created time type column in your table. Okay, so you can see I have this column in which I'm entering the due date of these tasks, and the type of this column or the field is, you can see, created time. So you must have this created time field here, which is going to trigger this workflow. So as you are going to enter the details here, this created time label captures the time and the date of the entry of the data in a row here in Airtable, and that is going to trigger this workflow. So here you can see it is asking for the trigger field's name. So my trigger field's name is due date, so it got auto selected here. Okay, now guys, you can click on save and send test request button, and the most recent data that you have entered inside Airtable's base will be captured in our workflow. So this is the last entry I have done, the second row. Okay, this is the title, this is the note, this is the assignee's name of the task, and this is the due date. Let me click on save and send test request. Alright, and here we got the data. Here you can see it is showing the created time, the field notes, the field title, the assignee's email, and the assignee's name. So you can see this is the same data that I had here. workflow email focuster was the title, workflow email focuster. Okay, and here you can see the nodes, how to create actions in focuster. This is the same node we got. Okay, so that's how you can capture the data. And after getting the data, we want to create an action inside a list or inside here in focuster application. For that, we need to connect with focuster here in this actions tab. So search for focuster here, select it, and the action event would be create action. Then click on connect. From here select add new connection, and here it is asking for the API key of Focuster that you will find in the settings section of Focuster application. So let me show you that. This is my Focuster applications dashboard. Okay, and here you can see I have this profile icon and here is the settings. Click on settings, and under the settings on the left hand side panel you will find this integrations tab. Click on it, and this is the API key that we want. So click on copy from here, paste the key here. Okay, then click on save and you will be connected with Focuster. Okay, and here it is asking for the title of the action, note, and the list in which you want to add this, and all these things. So I'm going to use the test data or the data that we have received from Airtable, and I'm going to map these labels here in these fields to create an action. So you just have to click here like this in the field, and it will show up the trigger step in the drop down, and when you click on it, it will show you all the data here only. So from here you can map the title in the title field, you can map the note in the note field. Here you can select the list, so I am selecting the list as today list. If you want to put a due date, you can do that, or you can leave this also. Okay, so here you can select the position as well. I am selecting top position, and here you can check the connection with Focuster by clicking on save and send test request, and a new action will be created here. Let me show you here in this list. Okay, so this is today's list. Here let us check our connection. I'm clicking on save and send test request, guys, and you can see the action ID is generated here. Let us see in Focuster if we got a new action created. And here you can see a new action get created here with the same title, workflow email focuster, and here you can check the nodes as well, as these are the same nodes as well. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. This is how you can automatically create actions in Focuster using Airtable base. Okay, so we are done setting up the automation, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything here in the workflow. After that, whenever you are going to add the details of any task here in Airtable, you can see new actions getting created in Focuster application automatically, and the workflow is going to run in the background. Okay, and guys, if you want to use this workflow, you can use it, because I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.